Alrighty, time to do. Okay, that was like an Audi RS3 accelerating there. Yeah. Welcome to a brand new video. I'm making a quick one today because I just picked up something that I just wanted to try out. So I picked up actually a secondary GoPro, as you can see here. I will be making these videos a little bit more unique, in a more unique way, have some variety, have some different camera angles and stuff. So this is just a test phase. I'm just putting it on the back just to test it out because I just picked it up. So it's a little bit probably like wobbly like this, but yeah, whatever. So basically it's just filming on the back there. So I don't know. We'll see what we end up with. But yeah, I'm just gonna go for a quick drive right now. And yeah, let's see what the new footage looks like. Now we are just heading up the mountain now. Where are you going? Ah, thanks. Let's see. Hopefully there's not too much traffic. I don't want to drive too slow here. Usually there is on this road because this is the road to Ronda, and usually this road is pretty busy because there's a lot of tourists. As you can see, there's two rental cars here, so they're most likely tourists just checking out the road. So they all drive pretty damn slowly, so it's impossible to enjoy this here. Jesus. Driving so slow, 45 km an hour. It's impossible to enjoy this. It's like a Sunday drive. And the engine temps are getting high because we're driving so damn slow. In front of us, slowing us down. The usual case on this road. I'll go here. Perfect. Oh. You can't really see the view because it's so damn cloudy. Let me just stop the bike here. Hope the ground is not too soft. Are we still in power? We just about have enough power. Okay. Oh, Jesus Christ. It was so much fun riding up the hill. And I wasn't even driving for that long. And man, it was super enjoyable. It's actually a place for a good picture. Let me actually take of the bike. Not too bad here. Looks like a thumbnail. Maybe. And I think my short video turned out to be a long video. Depends on how I edit this, but I think it's going to be a much longer video than I anticipated. Hopefully there's not any like sharp stuff like glass or anything like here. I don't want to get a flat tire. This is the benefit of riding a motorcycle in busy cities. You can just do this while there's really a lot of traffic. It's so good. Okay, that was a bit uncomfortable, maybe a bit too close. Like that. So easy. Oh, convertible G. It looks so weird.